Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating immediate safeguards. Save a copy of your project and close After Effects so you can reset state. Once done, restart your GPU driver or reboot the computer to clear stuck GPU memory, because graphics drivers often cause black preview screens. Then relaunch After Effects while holding Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift to restore default preferences. This removes corrupted settings that can block compositing. Make sure your external displays are disconnected briefly while you test to isolate multi-monitor issues. Now you diagnose render and GPU interactions. Go to Project Settings and switch to Software-Only Rendering to rule out GPU compositing bugs, because many black screens stem from hardware acceleration. Next, in Preferences, set the renderer to Classic 3D or Mercury software, only to force CPU rendering and confirm the viewer works. Also verify your source footage by opening problem clips in Media Encoder or QuickTime. If a file fails to play there, fix or transcode it, since corrupted media also produces black frames. Finish by clearing the disk cache and moving the cache folder to a fast local SSD so stale frames don't persist. Disk cache corruption commonly causes persistent black previews. Then update or roll back your GPU drivers and ensure After Effects is on a stable build, because driver version mismatches create rendering failures. If the screen remains black, enable Region of Interest and rebuild the composition piece by piece to find the problematic layer. If all else fails, render small test segments to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.